brother's wife run this business. And so this is a totally family-owned and operated business. And plus, I will tell you, anybody's ever eaten here, I know I brought Baojun here. So this is probably the best restaurant in the city of Newport. It's a beautiful setting. It's outrageous sometimes. I mean, some people charge $500 an hour. I have friends of mine that work in DC, they charge $1,000 an hour. And so depending on what type of mediation you need for your needs can depend on how much that can cost. Excellent judge. Very fair-minded, and Judge Rizek will talk more about how the circuit court utilizes mediation. So they use what is called settlement judgment. And so it's a little different. They can refer. We were sitting here waiting. So, some courts utilize mediation a lot, and other courts don't use it.
You want to sit at the bar?
Hi, welcome to the Asian Chamber. Hello. Hi, judges.
Room here tonight for this program, and Lenny, is there anything you could, you want to share about the history of the restaurant? I think it's very important. A lot of people have not been here before, and this is their first time.
5 years ago, and we run a restaurant in Williamsburg for 10 years, and we opened this one about 15 years ago. So this restaurant is about 15 years old, but slowly we expand more and more, and this one was new in the last year.
Welcome to Chamber.
Thank you.
Welcome to Chamber. Thanks for coming. Looking forward. I have so many questions.
Mediation that's gone on in my old homeowners association.
And you're battling about these things. Rarely do you say nice things about the other party because you're usually trying to get the upper hand and whatever.
In that for the last 2 years, it was coming to the courthouse. And to the courthouse, mediate with mediators. We have two mediators. We use limitless possibilities mediation services. Now everything is done by the code.
And we don't necessarily call it mediation. We've got a program that was established. Think about the time. So now I'm going to digress. Right now, because of some changes in the law, and
settle at this level.
Except in mediation.
maybe without, as Pauly said, showing too much of a hand, talk about strengths and weaknesses of cases and litigation.
A breakup, right? Instead of mom and dad breaking up or husband and wife breaking up, this is a breakup of a partnership. And
if the prosecutors and the Commonwealth can find that brings a criminal case up to the judge,
then they'll just enter a plea of guilty and pitch it to the judge if they feel like they can get a better outcome with the court.
I'm going to start with you. Company name, please. Myla.
Good evening. I'm Myla Astro, owner of Mvoss Creation, a promotional marketing and consulting company. We provide, we bring or we connect your brand to your market through promotional products, videos, event, and networking.
Thank you. Kiran, I'd like you to
Priorities.
Kiran, your company, your name and your company.
Yeah, I'm Hiren Kotak from Hyperbots, and basically use the latest technologies like robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and we help them automate it. Similarly for the customer service.
The Amazon delivery service partner, and we handle the large parcels for Amazon in the Hampton Roads area. Okay. The other company which we're really pushing on right now is cleaning it as well. So guys have any needs, especially Dominion, we've done some of your work. We'd like to get a little more. Yeah.
And we just won several contracts from several.
So back when I was starting out in banking, I used to be a premier banker for Wells Fargo and then become a financial advisor for Edward Jones. I had to quit my job really 2 weeks ago to really focus on my business, which is FIS. My husband and I went to Australia for honeymoon. We tried an excellent sea salt flavor. Some of you may have it right there. We fell in love with it. We're like, why don't we bring the goodies from Australia to Hampton Roads right here so we can have it? Think about us. Thank you.
All right, so she's now doing business with the Hampton Roads Connected Partners. The 2.3 billion.
Birthday, so that's where everybody gets a lot of, if you're a Prime member, you get a lot of discounts. So today we deliver, I don't know how many TVs, but there's it's about 49 to 50% off on TVs. So load up with
Energy. And Pauly, I want to say great job. And to the clerks and to the judges, just a point of personal privilege here. I know your great work because I'm married to the clerk of the Norfolk Circuit Court. So I know how hard.
On how to work on the offshore wind system. And if you are a supplier, right here, you can go on our website and put in, hey, I can do X, Y, Z. And some people will get contracts.
Want to sit on a chair? Bilang.
Yes, this is not personal. Hawaii, I need you to be in the picture.
In the same courthouse as Kelly. I can get margin in it.
All right, just hold it. This is the
Drivers to the wind turbines, for instance. We're getting ready to install 170 wind turbines. They need help with.
Hiring. We've been hiring a lot of big people.
Yep, that's what we do. We have Indeed, ZipRecruiter. I have
We have a 3-step process of hiring people. We're looking for a lot of those things now using the natural language processing, artificial intelligence.